Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing. Before we get to that, please, if you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification icon to notify you when I release new videos and go live on live streams. It also helps YouTube realize you're a person that's interested in the content. If you are interested in knife content and EDC content, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and selfishly it allegedly helps me get my videos out in front of more people. But enough of that. Today we are going to do a unboxing of a weird box. I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to use the Lux Squall as the unboxing knife. Let's get in here. A box in an envelope. All right, guys. Let's see here. Just go at it this way. That's one way to do it. See if I got any swag to throw down. If not, we won't even say where this came from. No swag. Anyway, this, guys, is something that I wanted to bring into the channel out of curiosity, out of things that I'd heard, and out of the fact that it was an updated or new configuration. And this came from Atlantic Knives. I'd actually gotten an email from them notifying me that this knife was available in this configuration. Inside you just got the CJRB lid, the troll candy, and the pouch. More troll candy and a pyrite. But guys, this pyrite, which I've never experienced before, I've heard good things about, is in titanium instead of stainless steel. So I've seen a lot of the videos, the new Warncliffe that's come out, which looks really cool. I'd actually seen this past weekend and thought it looked really good. I'm a fan of the RPM 9. On close inspection of this knife, it looks nice. I don't know the weight of the stainless steel pyrite, but guys, seems to have good lockup. Drop shut. Centered up. Nice choil. Guys, this is a... Let's see how it cuts. Very slicey. Guys, as you guys know, am not big into the budget knife scene as much anymore, but I'm into the good knife scene. I think there's a video coming out tomorrow that is 5 titanium knives that I really like. That's a little sneak peek, a little bonus you get from watching this video. But I didn't know this knife was going to come in. I thought it was coming in tomorrow, but man, this is right up there with those 5 titanium knives, guys. And this, I think the lowest priced one on my 5, and this literally, when you see the video, if you see the video, this fits into that perfectly. But the lowest price knife that I had on there was $115. And this knife from Atlantic Knives Company, guys, in titanium, in RPM 9 or whatever that steel's called, which it is a different steel. The knives in my video last night were S35V and S30V, but I think this is a good steel. But this knife, guys, I want to say was $67 for the PYRITE regular blade, titanium handles. So for those of you who are looking at the Wharncliffe and you're loving it like I am, do what I'm going to do and wait, because I know that with this knife's popularity, the only place I've seen it's Atlantic Knife Company, and I think it's still there. So if you guys are interested in a PYRITE in titanium for $67, I'll put the link in the description just to Atlantic Knives, and then you can search for it. If I can find the link to the actual knife, I'll put it in if they're still in stock, so you guys can go look at it or grab one if you want. But my point is, I'm really digging the sheep's foot with the blade hole, but I'm not crazy about stainless steel handles. See, you can even see the difference in the stainless liners and the titanium handles. That's a little wonky, and I'll give you more information on that in the review, because the liners sit slightly proud of those tie scales. So there's that. Again, not a blaring negative, and it looks like we've got a steel pocket clip. T8 hardware on the pivot, T6s everywhere else. We do have recessed screws, but not a recessed clip, or flathead screws, but not a recessed clip. Let's see how it goes in and out of pocket. Goes in and out of pocket very easily. Guys, the action on this knife, it doesn't feel... I mean, it's got a little simulated detent. I was trying to slow roll it on that one. The ergos, guys, fit my hand great. The thickness of the knife is just about perfect. I still think they could have recessed those scales or inset those liners. 0.42 with a 0.10 behind the spine. So I have a feeling this is going to come down to a really slicey edge. Nice 3/4 flat grind. Very sharp, nice from the factory edge. Guys, Ashley's going to start barking at the postman. So that was the unboxing of the CJRB PYRITE in titanium. So it's got titanium scales. I don't know why they sit proud on these steel liners, but let's see what happens with the Wharncliffe and how CJRB kind of evolves this. Anyway, I look forward to carrying this knife, putting it through its paces, and giving you guys a full overview, review, my thoughts, my assessments. But for $67, the way it seems to feel right now, I'm not at all disappointed that I bought it and brought it into the collection. So, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching the video. I appreciate y'all. I'm humbled the fact that you support the channel, that you subscribe to the channel, that you just come by and watch videos and join me in live streams. And I ask, and I do it selfishly, but I do it because it helps us all as a community. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Simply look out for each other. Keep loving your heart and move forward in the spirit of debate over hate. Guys, I love you all. Till we meet again, peace.